caught it.
Kaylee, why are you always over there? Why are you always over there? Oh, okay.
Ella,
Your personal beach.
what you doing, baby? What do you have? Oh, yeah. All right, go ahead and eat it. But come on over here.
All right. Playing volleyball in Mark's backyard. Here comes Anna. Oh, no.
Get it.
Ethan dodged the ball, which is the object of the game.
Pass it.
Since it's called dodgeball.
Don't let him catch it.
You and Dakota, if y'all want to go fishing, I think Kelly and Jeremy are going.